Here's a controversial statement. Don't let the condition of your house keep you from selling. Of course, it's silly to let all blanket statements like that control everything, but there is some validity to that. One factor to consider is the enjoyment you will get by being in your new house. Another strong factor is maybe the timing of your sale is more important. Some people let false timing issues dictate when and how they sell their house. They may have been told by an expert or a friend or just someone with a lot of opinions that you have to sell at a certain times of the year, but that may not rule out other times for you to be selling. There are two different types of considerations that you should think about in determining your timing. The first is the market consideration, and the second is your personal consideration. For market considerations, there may be things like the trend of interest rates affecting buyers and sellers. The season or time of year, of course, always is a traditional factor. The market conditions in your community, whether there is a lot of product on the market for sale, whether there are few properties for sale, those things may affect the time it takes to sell your house. Some of the personal considerations would include perhaps you're moving for an employment situation. You may have been told that you need to start your new job in Chicago on September 15th, and that date might or might not work well with your ability to sell your house. One of the big personal factors has to do with school years. If you have children who are finishing a school year, starting a school year, that's often a very important personal factor. You might also have family considerations such as the need to help an elderly parent or a different relative you may need to travel to be of assistance for. Sometimes you don't have the luxury to do everything you want to do before the time is right for you to sell your property, whether that's through a listing or to an investor. So to bring this message full circle, while you may have other timing considerations such as a new job or a new school year, maybe it would just be nice to go ahead and sell and start enjoying your new home.